Hello everybody, this is me doing my first knife sharpening document. And my name is James, and this is my intro. I know it can go way better, but that's just how I do mine. So let's get started in this. First, you need to hold your thing out like this. You need to go around a 20-degree angle like this. Keep it at this curve right here. You see? This curve. Do not go here. Keep it at this curve. Right here. And you need to keep it at a 20-degree angle and go down. And there. Then you flip it around like this. And keep it like this. Keep it at the 20-degree angle. And sharpen it. Just like that. That's the basics you need to know about this. But don't think it's over. We're going to show you actually getting this knife sharpened and everything. So who knows how long this video will be. However long my dad wants it to be, which is who is behind the camera, is going to be doing this. So on every video, he's pretty much been my cameraman. Like, pretty much every single one. But I would guarantee you, doing this way is the hardest. So if any of you grown-ups out here see this, and your kids are old enough, you think, to know this, you can let them watch this video.
How old are you?
I'm 8, but that doesn't have to be the regular age that they can do it. They might want to be older or something. You might want them to be older or something. But if these are kids watching this, ask your parents if you can do this before you do this. Alright, we're just going to get into sharpening now.
So what's the reason you need to learn how to do this?
Well, pretty much every kid is going to need to know how. And since you'll always need a knife when you're hunting, pretty much everybody will carry a knife when they're hunting. You need to know how to sharpen it so you know how to do it. And that's it. And
thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, but wait, Dad. We are going to be doing a part 2 on this where we just get into sharpening this knife with this.
Okay.
Peace out.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, and peace.